Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back with the hair video, and as you can see, I have no breakdown or anything, but we're putting this U part on, and this is actually a V part from Yolissa hair. I have the BODYWAVE V part wig in 22 inches. This wig is 180% density. Ooh, y'all, my hair is growing, okay? So let's put it back up. That's why we got these wigs, because we want our hair to grow. This is a protective style, and we're protecting our hair. So about the wig, this wig did come in like a natural color. I did dye mine jet black because of course my hair is black, so I want all my wigs to be black. And all I'm doing is attaching this, and U parts are always going to save the day. They're so easy to put on, and it's literally a removable sew-in. You put it on and go. You put it on and it looks like you got your hair done, and I love that for us. So that's all I'm doing. This hair is so pretty. So this is the natural state of the hair, air dried. The body wave is real cute. I love how it's like waved from like top to bottom. So I'm just spraying some heat protectant on my hair, and I'm going to straighten it. You'll see. I was going to keep the hair natural, but I decided to throw some loose curls, and I'm using the curler iron because I don't want the curls to be too tight, because I also don't want the top of the wig to be straight like it is from my natural hair. So I started curling it, and then I realized I just need to curl like all of the hair, like throw random curls in. So that's all I'm about to do. I'm about to wand the hair, but with a curling iron, just because the hair needs something. I don't want it to look flat. That's it. That's all. That's what we're doing. So this is the hair all curled up. It's really cute. I wasn't going for anything super structured, so I'm just gonna brush through these curls, and I want it to look natural. Okay, so I curled both sides, and I'm just brushing it out. I was kind of confused by my front pieces because I was like, they're curled two different ways, but it works. It's cute. It gives a natural body wave, and I didn't really try and beach waves and all the waves. So I'll be sure to list Yolissa's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as a link to the hair that I'm wearing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.